A fiery crash in Minnesota was caught on camera earlier this week. A driver lost control of a car while entering the highway and slammed into a box truck. The truck then careened across the road, into the rails of an overpass and burst into flames, with some of the burning pieces falling onto the road below. "I figured if I went over the bridge that would have been the end of it," truck driver Mitchell Moore told local ABC station KSTP. But the railing held and kept the truck from going over. The incident was captured by the state's highway cameras. The footage shows the truck's cab engulfed in flames and burning to practically nothing in a matter of minutes. Amazingly, no one was seriously injured. Police have not released the identity of the car's driver, but told local NBC station KSTP that the person showed suspected signs of impairment and is being processed for driving while impaired.